What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Week 62, day 2 down here in the swamp. I didn't come out yesterday. I can't remember what I did. Oh, I had to take my wife's van to the shop, but just wasn't no time. So anyway, got out here today. I'm just kind of trying to look around, see what to do, what I can work on, what I feel like doing. Make sure the fire's still good and hot. Got that going. This is, back behind me is where I cut those trees down last week, 2 weeks ago maybe, trying to clear out so I could get to stuff that was already on the ground. That pine tree looks like it's cut, so that's good. All right, I got all the stuff that I cut to get to this area picked up, but I hadn't really picked up the stuff that I was trying to get to. I don't know what all we can see. Let's work on all this area right here. And I think, and I'm just gonna be toting it up to the fire. Well, let's just work on this area right here and see what we can do. All right. Cleaned up a little bit anyway. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Still don't know what I'm gonna do. I see all that's in a ditch or where I can't really get to it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It may just stay there. I'm gonna let the fire die down a little bit. It's a little windy out here today. I mean, the fire's in a ditch, but don't want it to get, crazy. Bunch of stumps in there, so I guess I'll go put the stump grinder on, cut them down. Take a break. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Week 62, day 3. I got to change out. Well, I got to add another bolt to the front pinion, come out. This time I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on it, see if that'll hold it. And then we're gonna get down here on the fence line. I've been dreading it, I don't wanna do it. I'm gonna try some different things. Either chainsaw, getting the stuff up with the grapple, maybe the piranha tooth bar, or maybe even the stump bucket. I don't know, we'll take a look, see how it goes. Stick around. All right, always be sure to keep a check on these 2 bolts right here. They hold, on each side, they hold your front pinion on. Well, I got a new front pinion when I broke mine over there on the Hill of Death. And here lately, these bolts have been coming out. I've already replaced a couple. I didn't blue tie them last time, but I'm going to this time. Yeah. Look at that one. Loose as can be. I can unscrew it with my hand. Wow. I don't know what it is with these bolts, y'all, but mine want to come out. All right, let's go check the other side. All right, those are tight. Let's go down here to the swamp, see what we're gonna do along that fence line. I ain't looking forward to it. Ugh. Well, after looking at it a little closer, I can't get in there with the tractor. I don't want to get in there with the chainsaw, and my weed eater is at the house with the blade on it to get in there and do it. So that's gonna be another day. Let's go find something else. Call it a day. That's a short day. I didn't get out here till late this afternoon. Fire's still going. I just hit some bumpy spots. Little stumps have been sticking up that I'm tired of running over. It'll make it better when he comes down here to brush cut. So I don't know. I got to change out some teeth on the grinder. I got a stump grinding job Friday. So tomorrow I'll come out, change some teeth, bring the weed eater, try to work on that fence line over there. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll holler at you later. See ya. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Week 62, day 4. It is overcast, partly cloudy. Here's some thunder back over in the distance, and maybe a little bit of a breeze every now and then. So while we got some favorable weather without the sun beating down on me, I've got a stump grinding job tomorrow. I'm gonna put some new teeth on the grinder, and we're definitely gonna hit the fence line today and knock down all that brush and stuff. What I have brought, 2 weed eaters. My Steel's gonna have this on it. And then my old Ryobi, Travis, has one of these blades, chainsaw blade on there. It does some damage. So we're gonna try out both of those today, depending on the size of what we got down there. Let's change out some teeth, and we'll get to cutting some fence line. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Back down here in the swamp, on the fence line where I got caught out in the rain the other day. I didn't film any of it because my camera, the way I got it set up, I can't get it wet. I put gas in the weed eaters the other day. I felt a sprinkle. It's like, well, maybe it'll blow over, it'll pass. I'll go ahead and get started. And it just kept getting harder and harder and harder. And I was drenched from head to toe. I got a little bit of it done. Let's do some more today. Stick around, let's get to it.